Hey guys, welcome back to Unlimited Shades of Innovation. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and click on the bell icon to make sure you don't miss any update. So now let's get started. In this video, I'm going to reuse Karachi Biscuit box and I'm going to make a cute gift box. So here I have drawn two circles. One circle with diameter 10 centimeters and the other circle with diameter 9.8 centimeters. The circle with diameter 10 centimeters will be the lid of the gift box and the circle with diameter 9.8 centimeters will be the base of the gift box. So make sure that the circle that you're using for the lid of the gift box should be slightly bigger than the circle that you have used for the base of the gift box. So guys, this is the final look. Do give it a try and let me know your feedback in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Unlimited Shades of Innovation. Do something creative every day. Take care. Bye-bye.